What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing something different than what we normally do here on the channel. Instead of doing technical analysis, we're actually going to be doing an in-depth review of Chainge.Finance. As you guys can see, I do have a link pulled up really quick here. It's an article. Basically, the key points that you can build your own digital bank service, financially connect with your loved ones, one button away from financial services, business automation for trust leverage, which is all very interesting. And I feel like some of these things might be new and we should definitely look at it. They also have their own token called the Chainge.Finance token. And yeah, that's pretty much it. They have their own app too, which they have taken a professional approach in creating. So if any of this interests you or you've actually heard of Chainge.Finance or are currently using it, definitely make sure to leave a comment down below. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. As with all crypto projects, please do your own research and find out as much info as you can before investing anything. New crypto projects and token launches are all risky, and I always recommend not to invest anything that you're not comfortable with losing. The DeFi sector has brought the ability to earn money in the crypto industry by significantly reducing the exposure to risk that traders had to deal with in the earlier years of crypto. Now, this came in the form of passive income, where users got to exchange in various activities like staking, liquidity providing, lending, and alike to use their dormant cryptocurrency in a way that can help others as well as earn themselves passive income. Now, understanding this allowed DeFi to take off and become the biggest crypto trend. As there was no longer need to risk assets in trades, the only thing users really needed to watch out for is just volatility. But hodlers are usually not that concerned with short-term volatility either, so they only stood to gain. Now, Chainge is a cross-chain DeFi app running on the Fusion blockchain that empowers people from all corners of the world to become their own digital bank. With Chainge's automated financial services, users have complete control over their wealth while enjoying 100% freedom and security. From cross-chain swapping in one tap to earning through time framing and liquidity mining, Chainge unfolds a completely new decentralized financial universe with no hassle and no limits. Just a few months since launch, their unique DeFi app has already gained over 400,000 users and $60 million in total value locked in liquidity pools, while people enjoyed the spot DEX and futures DEX. Now, on top of this all, their already popular money-making features, Chainge.Finance has completed the Decentralized exchange trilogy with one final groundbreaking addition, the Options DEX. Not to mention, when it comes to security, they are as secure as it gets, the DCRM tech being naturally immune to hacks. Now, what Chainge did is basically take the cross-chain experience to the next level with cross-chain roaming. With Chainge, users don't even have to care which chain their assets are on when they are trying to make transactions or make swaps in DEX, add liquidity, or write an option in the near future. Now, even if the user's assets are split between 5 or 6 different chains, they can just go ahead and proceed with their operations as usual without worrying about the cross-chain issue. Everything will run in the background in 100% decentralized way. Now, projects such as Polygon or OKEX are currently using their cross-chain technology, and more will soon follow as they gradually understand the power that lies behind the amazing one-of-a-kind opportunity. They are able to accommodate any kind of project and actually encourage them to apply, as their selection criteria is very correct, transparent, and straightforward. Now, I just want to tell you about a few, as there are a ton of benefits within the cross-chain. So you have benefits such as moving tokens from one chain to another without having to go through a token bridge. You get the utmost simplicity and speed performing any cross-chain transactions with just a couple of taps. You also get to save money having very low fees and skipping useless steps to complete cross-chain transactions. Not only that, you get complete security and reduce the risk of losing your assets to zero, since their app is 100% decentralized, and all transactions done on Chainge are 100% private. All cross-chain operations are in complete stealth mode. Now, as some are likely already aware, liquidity pools of decentralized finance are pools of tokens that are locked within a smart contract. They are used to facilitate efficient asset trading, and at the same time, they allow investors to earn returns on their existing holdings. So what that means is basically investors offer their dormant coins to the DEX and get passive income in the form of rewards for participating and increasing the liquidity in the Chainge DEX. In other words, liquidity pools are AMMs, automated market makers, that offer liquidity to avoid large price swings for assets in case the demand rises or drops.
Also within liquidity pools, all future pairs do not have any impermanent loss.
Now the rewards are arguably higher than what many would expect, and they are distributed in the exchange native token Chainge, or CHNG. The fact that rewards are distributed in the Chainge token makes things easier for the exchange, since its APYs are dependent on the Chainge price. Another reason why APYs are as high as they are is because of arbitrage. Now the Chainge platform also offers very generous APYs for futures, which basically make up for single token farming. Thanks to its reliance on smart contracts, users can know that their funds are safely locked up and available for withdrawal at any time. Meanwhile, there are nearly 150 liquidity pools available to investors,
And currently, the most rewarding is time-framed USDT,
which pairs USDT with USDT futures. This particular pool alone has TVL of 20.6 million, and the Chainge reward for it is over 108%. Now, in truth, this pool shares the first spot according to the height of the reward with another. Like the former one, this one also pairs a cryptocurrency, in this case, Bitcoin with Bitcoin futures, although its TVL is slightly more than half of its previous one, sitting at about 11.8 million. Now, guys, if you're interested in finding out more about the Chainge DEX liquidity pools and how you can start earning today by putting your assets to work, you can check the description for more info. But the main selling point of this new service is how it democratizes listings of options tied to particular tokens. Through the online form, anyone can list options with the requested exercising price. And it is up to the Chainge community members, users who obviously hold the Chainge tokens, to vote on these new requests. If the vote has over 1 million Chainge token-based votes, the new option will automatically be listed in the Chainge option DEX, a simple process that gives everyone a chance to expand available listings, assuming there is a sufficient support of demand. Also keep in mind, for every listed option, Chainge deploys a smart contract with writing and exercising options. That approach ensures the market remains decentralized. Holders of option tokens can exercise the call option. They can even use it as a regular crypto asset or sell the call option token through the USDT-based trading pair. Another possibility is adding liquidity to the option DEX market for that token USDT pair. Chainge DEX supports both call and put options, and the method above is reversed for put options, as users can inject USDT to write put options for the particular tokens. Now, holders of put options tokens can inject back the token to get the corresponding USDT amount, use it as a crypto asset, or sell the put option token. Similarly, this is an option to provide additional liquidity. And it is also very beneficial for projects to list options. Not only will it motivate the community, but it can also lead to a broader exposure for the project and the native token. Through call options, tokens can be sold at a potentially higher price and show confidence in the project. Additionally, teams can use the put options to buy back tokens from the market, but at a potentially lower price than normal. You can download the Chainge app from the Play Store or App Store, onboard in a couple of seconds, and test their amazing features. Lastly, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.